Hey, this is Gary Guyman with Salvo Media with a strategy to help you grow your business. If you own a service business and you service residential customers, check out this 5-round strategy that will work for your business. See, a lot of us probably utilize door hangers in our business to where we go to the 5 closest homes and we leave a door hanger after service is completed. And while you may get business that way, there's a way to get your business name and your services out to the neighborhood while being a friend to that same neighborhood. So here's what we would do with our 5-round sequence. Crew would pull up, and this will work if you have 1 crew member or 2 crew members. More than 2 obviously would work even better. But crew pulls up. If it's 1 guy, he's going to go to the homeowner that he's servicing, knock on the door. Hey, we're here. We're going to get hooked up. Then, once he speaks to the homeowner and establishes what the service is going to be for that day, he walks around to the 5 homes that he's going to leave a door hanger with. Now, don't take a door hanger at the beginning. We're going to take the door hanger later in this sequence, and you'll see how this works. But before you start your service, you walk around to those 5 houses that are nearby, knock on the doors. You want to wait to see if somebody comes to the door because you have a purpose to be there and you're not trying to sell anything, and this is what's great about it. Homeowner comes to the door. Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Jones. My name is Gary Guyman. I'm with ProServe Group. I'm going to be taking care of that home next door. We do some exterior cleaning. My machines may get a little loud. It may disturb you, and I just wanted to let you know that that's what you're going to hear if you do hear some machines running, and it's going to last for an hour and a half to 2 hours. I'll come back and let you know when I'm done. That way you know that it's over, but just wanted to make sure I wasn't going to disturb you. Have a good day. So walk away, go on to your next home, do the exact same thing. Again, the key here is you want to knock on the door or ring the doorbell, and you want to wait about a minute, minute and a half. Give that homeowner time to come to the door. That's the key. Like, you want them to come to the door. We're not trying to sell anything. You do want to tell them what service that you're providing so that they understand what it is you do. And you want to let them know that you're going to come back when the service is complete so they expect you to return. Go about, finish those 5-round door knocks, go do the service. Take care of that customer. Make that customer as happy as possible. Make them sing your praises. Do not do a half-hearted job here. Kill it. Then go back to the houses that you knocked on after you're completely rolled up and you're ready to head out. Go back with 5 rounds in hand. Knock on the door. Again, even if they weren't there before, wait a minute, minute and a half to see if they've gotten home. They come to the door. Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Jones, Gary with ProServe. Just wanted to let you know, as I promised, that we finished service to your neighbor. Hey, here's some information on our service. If you need us for anything, we'd appreciate the opportunity to help you. Right now, we're running an offer. Give the customer an offer. Give the customer an offer. Every homeowner in the neighborhood for the next 5 days, if they complete an estimate, will get 15% off their service if they complete it by the end of boom, right? Very simple. It's really easy to get someone to allow you to give them an estimate, obviously, when they're home. But it's really easy to get someone to allow you to give them an estimate when they don't think they're being sold. And the strategy of this 5-round sequence is to touch that homeowner twice, that neighbor twice. Obviously, if they're home, you're going to touch them twice. If they're not home, they're just going to get the door hanger anyway. But the goal is to leave that door hanger, as well as let them know that you are looking out for them, that you care about them, and that's why you're coming over there, to let them know that there may be noise. Well, what if you own a service business and there's not a ton of noise? Well, you still want to kind of utilize that inconvenience tone. For instance, if you're an HVAC company and you're going to be doing work inside, or the work you're going to be doing outside isn't going to require any type of noise, so you utilize something like, hey, we're replacing or we're doing this service, and if you see my truck in the street, parked on the street, you know what it is that we're doing, so that there's not just a strange vehicle in the neighborhood. And we just kind of wanted to let you know. You still want to be that friendly service guy that is looking out for the neighbors of your customers. Having that type of mindset allows you to go in without a salesman type mentality to that homeowner, and it breaks down the barriers. It lets them see you as a person. It lets them connect with you as a person, and it helps you to be able to convert 5 rounds into instant estimates. Look, figure out who the best is on your crews and have them do it. It's not always the crew leader. If you have 2 guys, figure out which one is the best at speaking to people and have them do the 5 rounds. That will convert into estimates and give them incentive. Look, every estimate that you send the office or that you complete today is going to be $5, $5 for a lead. That's cheap. And your crews will step over each other to get $5. Trust me, they will. So, integrate this 5-round strategy into your daily work routine, whether it's you doing the work or you're sending out a crew. Very simple. Pull up to the home. You go to your homeowner. Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Jones, Gary Guyman, I'm here to do XYZ service. I'm going to get set up. If you don't mind, show me your problem areas. You do the problem area type thing. Get your before pictures. Before you set up, you walk around to the neighbors. Boom, boom, boom. Knock on the door. Wait a minute and a half. You do your spiel. Hey, just wanted to let you know we're going to be servicing or we're going to be doing some work next door. We're going to take care of X, Y, and Z for that person. And we may make some noise. We may be an inconvenience, whatever that is. I'll come back when we're done and let you know we're done so you know that there isn't going to be any more inconvenience to you. Thanks for understanding. And if there's anything you need, let me know. Head on out. Take care of your customer. Take care of your customer. Make that customer be a raving fan. Make sure he's completely happy. Then put all of your equipment back into your truck, your van. Do the 5 around this time with the cards in hand. Hey, Mr. and Mrs. Jones, just letting you know we've completed XYZ service. Here's some information about our services. If you need any of them, I can give you a free estimate right now, today. If you do an estimate within the next 5 days, or you schedule service within the next 5 days, or if you complete service within this period of time, you're going to get this offer off. Give them an incentive to want to do business with you.